Since you're the only thing that matters. And I'm losing a lot of hair, and I know I am because I'm finding it all over my floor, and I'm so scared the fact that I'm actually losing so much of my hair. And this box down here has all my things I need to be doing blog posts on. Hello, welcome to day 3. So it's midday, it's like 12:10. I'm just going to upload my YouTube video ready for 6 o'clock tonight, which is going to be day 1 of these kind of daily vlogs. I don't know if I'm going to do this every single day. I'm just going to do it when I feel like it. In the past 3 days I felt like it. So this is another version of my realistic life of a small YouTuber. And today, first of all, I'm going to put some of this on my hair. This is from Hask and it's their coconut oil. And the reason that I'm putting this on, it moisturises and revitalises all hair types. It's a nourishing deep conditioner. And I mean, I'm going to say, in case you can't tell, but I'm pretty sure 100% that you'll be able to tell, but my hair is an absolute greasy mess, and it needs washing, but it also needs some TLC and some looking after. So I'm going to give it a quick brush because I haven't actually brushed it yet today. And then I'm going to put this nourishing conditioner thing in my hair because I did the argan oil one. Oh my god, my hair felt absolutely amazing. So in case you're thinking, Lucy, like, why aren't you at work? I don't even know if I've explained this at all, but I've got 3 weeks off work before I start my new job. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing an update video, by the way, because my last update video, I was watching it 2 nights ago. My last update one was, I'm sure it was something like April 2017, so it's been like way over a year since the last time like I updated you. And then technically, like, the last time I updated you, I was still at uni, so I hadn't even started my carer's job, never mind my children's job, and now working with drug and alcohol misuse, which is what I'll be doing once my 3 weeks of hollybobs is over. My hair actually looks really silver on camera. I don't know why. I mean, it just looks silvery grey anyway, but it's definitely going more blonde now. So yeah, I'm going to pop this nourishing mask on. I'm focusing it mainly on the ends and on this part of my scalp here, which you're probably thinking like that's such a weird place to focus it on, and it is a weird place really because that's where my hair gets greasy first. Like this part here must be because like that's where I rest my head or whatever, I don't know. But because I have been wearing my hair in a bubble so much for work, it's really sore back there, and there's so much pressure holding that bubble up and holding it tight. I feel like my hair's gone thin. I feel like my hair's thinning and I'm losing a lot of hair, and I know I am because I'm finding it all over my floor, and I'm so scared the fact that I'm actually losing so much of my hair. So this is my attempt to trying to be like, look, I love you, please stay with me, don't leave me, I need you. This is so cold on my head and it feels so nice. Like, I think my scalp must have been sore because it's so cooling on my scalp, but only on like certain areas. So I think my scalp must have been like really sore. It's very messy. I'm going to put quite a bit underneath as well, like at the back here, because that takes a lot of the brunt when I'm having it in a bubble as well. I've got quite a few of these as well, so I think once I've used them all up, I'm going to have to find out where I can buy them, because I got this one at an event. I went to like a Hask event in London and got like a free blow dry and stuff before I went to the Makeup Revolution Halloween event last year, and they give us loads of shampoos and conditioners and loads of the deep conditioners, and then also loads of oils as well. So I need to find out where I buy them from. I'm sure places like Home Bargains and stuff and B&M sell them, but I'm going to have to just double check that. Since you're the only thing that matters, tell me, who do I run to? Don't get me wrong, I know there is. I don't even need to put a clip in, like it's just stood up by itself. Probably because the mixture of being that greasy as well as being what's the word, like with all the conditioner and that in. So let's go get something to eat because I am Hank Marvin. My new curtains came this morning as well. I got some crushed velvet ready-made curtains and I've already put them in the wash ready to go. And then this is another parcel that I got this morning as well, from Nasty Gal. I did a little order. And I've got quite a few like relaxed t-shirts, like 4 of them, and then I've got this like rope blouse as well, so I can't wait to try that on in a bit too. I hope my curtains look nice. I'm so excited, I feel like such an adult. So this is what I'm having for my dinner. So I've just got some mixed veg, some rice and some peppered salmon as well. I'm trying to be healthy again, so this is my attempt to get myself back on the healthy bandwagon. So I'm fresh out of the shower, and I've literally just put fresh pyjamas on. Because I'm off work, I'm just like living in pyjamas and then like having a shower or whatever, and then putting like a new set of fresh pyjamas on. But I thought I'd show you, I've just put on some of the Hask argan oil as well. It's not sponsored, by the way, because I haven't showed you, but I also use the shampoo and conditioner in the shower as well. I'll take it with me whilst we're having a little chat. But yeah, I've just put on the argan oil, little oil as well, but I used the Superfruit shampoo and conditioner, and I've actually just used up basically the last bit of the shampoo. I've like balanced it upside down in the shower, so the next time I go in I'll have to like use like a little bit of that and maybe get like a new shampoo and conditioner out. So yeah, I've just popped some of that in my hair too, just on the ends, just to give that just a bit more of a moisture. I don't get why my body looks so much darker than my face. I don't have a clue, but this spot is so annoying. It's turned into like a little scab now. I really want to film today. So let's go have a look what's on our bed of filming things. So these are all the things that we've got so far. I'm going to empty this bag out actually. So we have things like this. This is the, oh god, look at that marking, that's going to annoy me. And this is the Free From Friction gift set that you can buy, which just looks like this, and it's actually personalised with a leaf wrote on it, which is so stinking cute. So cute. I'm going to be doing a blog post. The box smells lovely. On that, so this will be going in this box down here, and this box down here has all my things that I need to be doing blog posts on, and that I don't necessarily need to do a video on. I just need to do some kind of blog post or whatever. But then I also have other stuff. So I have like the Benefit Brow Pencil, the contour one. I bought this Morphe palette for me to start my new series. I got stuff like my new phone I want to do like a haul video from. This bag is filled with some Technic pigments that they sent me. Oh god, just looks in this little bag. And they always send lollies. I love that Technic send lollies. And we've got all this stuff from 17 that I got in the sale. And the sale should still be on. It's like up to 80% off stuff. So like these were like a quid. Like so good. And like gel eyeliner and stuff. Like they have eye calls for like 58p. In here is a bag of Miss Beauty stuff. If you remember, absolutely ages ago, I got all of this stuff to do like a review video on, and that's like in my pile of things to do. What's in this Park1 Warehouse bag? Oh, this is more 17 stuff that I bought when the sale first went on, so I'll put these in with that one, so we can just do one big 17 haul. There's a powder as well. I think that's possibly all of it, yeah. And then this bag we have, sorry, I'm trying to open it without flashing my address at you. What's in this one? Oh, this one we have tweezers in little fragrance set from Sparkle PR. And then this one we have a cleanser from Avon, which I want to do like a, I can't get it out. I want to do a haul, like a PR haul with it, and then it'll go into my box of things to review and stuff. And these are just things that I want to use like in videos, like Charlotte Tilbury and that that douche stuff, I don't know how to pronounce it, that I got in the cohorted box before. Yeah, there's just absolutely all sorts. I want to like try this out. The bubble purifying charcoal mask from Skin Republic. I really want to try that out in the video as well. So yeah, there's just absolutely loads, and I've still got 2 massive bags of stuff to go through as well. So that's my current situation today. Hello. I don't remember the last time I actually spoke to you. Ooh, creaky door. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get an early night tonight. It's like 1:10. I just put my curtains up. How lush do they look though? I'm very, very impressed. Very impressed. I only got them off eBay as well. I think they're about $18.99 for the pair. Doesn't think it was too bad. I'm new to all of this adult life, so I don't really know if it's a good price or not. But I looked around and that was the best price I could get for the ones that I wanted. I feel like it just gives a bit more dimension to the room. Like if I show you from when you first walk in, like I feel like, I don't know, it just gives it a bit more to it, whilst it's still like, I'm going to have loads of different photo frames on here. I've got one big one which is here ready to go, which is a roll dial one, and then I've got 2 of the same frames, smaller, like a 5x7 frame, and then I've got 2 same size but a gold rim one, and I'm gonna have like some other slogans or maybe some makeup or something. I don't know whether to like buy it myself off eBay or whether to get there's a blogger that I follow on Instagram called Beauty by the Bunny. I think that's how you pronounce, I think that's like the right way around. And she has doodles by Bunny. So I don't know whether to get like a personalised one, and I was thinking about surprising Millie with like a personalised one and getting it like, so it's kind of like our YouTube, like our picture for our YouTube channels, so it has like a bit of YouTube in our room as well. But I'm gonna see, I don't know how much she charges for it. These are all clothes ready to be sorted into my wardrobe. So today I went through the majority of my wardrobe. The top bit, like I said, was already sorted, but what I've done is I've got these 3 shelves which I'd like to change into these baskets, like I said in yesterday's video, and all the things that are like pushed right at the back, they've all been rolled up, squished at the back, and they're the things that either like night out dresses or jumpsuits, or they are smart things that like I wouldn't wear on the daily or I wouldn't wear for work, like they're too smart for that kind of stuff. Or like this bottom drawer is just jumpers, and this one, that pink one that I've got on now, was in that gap. So I'm going to fill the rest of the gap up, I think with pyjamas. And then my first drawer I've filled so far with bottoms. These are ripped jeans, these are like cosy bottoms, like jogger bottoms, which I only have 1 pair of anyway. And then these are my leggings, and as you can see I haven't really got that many, but I do still have like all of these clothes to put away as well, and they're also going to be hung up in here as well, and I still have 2 baskets left, so I don't know whether I'm going to be putting pyjamas in the baskets or pyjamas in this bit. I think I'll probably put pyjamas in this bit and then put the rest in the baskets. I'm not too sure, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave my bedroom like this for tonight, and I'm going to sleep in my mum's bed, so that it saves me having to like fart around moving things back and forth or whatever. I'm just going to sleep in my mum's bed tonight because why not? I really want to go to, just close this over so it doesn't look as messy, even though we've got all that mess behind us anyway. Like there. Oh, the curtains look so nice. I'm so happy with them, and like they came already done, so they came like the rings and everything on, so I literally just had to like thread it through. So yeah, very happy. It's like I said, it's just past 1 o'clock and I need to edit tomorrow's video, but what I'm going to do is, because what I've been doing is going to bed, like last night I went to bed at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I remember last time I looked at my phone it was like 4:30 and I just couldn't sleep at all. And then I woke up like 7, then I woke up at 8, and then I woke up at 9, and I think it got to like 10 and I was like, right, I'm going to have to just get up now because I'm just like wasting the day away. So because it's me and I'm stupid and ridiculously pumped for YouTube at the moment with me being off. It is now 25 to 2 and I've just edited tomorrow's video. I haven't put all the fancy schmancy stuff on, like the overlays and my introduction, my outro and stuff like that. I've literally just edited the raw footage. And make sure that it all flows and stuff, and it's only like 11 minutes long, so tomorrow when I wake up I'll add on like all the overlays, introduction, outros and all that good stuff, and then I'll save it and start sorting itself out ready, like sorting out ready for YouTube, condense it down like I've showed you in a previous video. I'll leave a link down below on how to upload your YouTube videos quicker. I'll leave that link down below for you. If you want like a dedicated video for that, please let me know in the comments down below, because I know a lot of you that have started following me are small YouTubers yourselves, and like I'm all for like sharing tips and tricks and stuff, because it saves you all the time that I've wasted over the years doing it myself. So yeah, please let me know down below any kind of small YouTuber style videos that you want me to do. Be more than happy to do that, but I'm literally now I'm gonna go to bed, because if I don't go to bed now it's just going to be the same thing as yesterday, and I'll be up until like 4 in the morning and just be pumped on life, just doing loads of stuff when like I need to sleep. So I'm literally in front of you right now shutting down my computer so I have no excuses, like it's hence the darkness, it's now shutting down. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all very, very, very much, and I'll hopefully see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.